Okay, look what just arrived. Man, I'm excited to open this thing up. This is going to be fun. Let's check it out. Here's what's in the box. Cables for the battery. Nice. Okay, we'll go ahead and charge this battery. Looks like it's around somewhere between 25 and 50%. And then we'll go ahead and bind everything up. The old charger from the FPV drone should work fine. Plug it in. I think we can use this right here. All right, looks like it's charging. See how long that takes. So I'll be using the goggles and the controller from the FPV drone. Here's how they compare, by the way. While I'm waiting for the battery to charge, I'm going to go ahead and install the micro SD card. It goes right in here. I've heard it's a real bear cat to get in there. Okay, push it in there all the way. Yeah, seems to have popped in there okay. All right, hopefully that's okay. Okay, I had to switch it over to a different charger. This charger over here is only 10 watts. I didn't know that at the time, but that's all this smaller USB outlet puts out. The phone puts out 20 watts, so that worked a little better. And then finally I discovered that my MacBook Air charger for that actually puts out 67 watts, and it's the right voltage and everything. So switched over to that, and you can see it's charging a whole lot faster now. Should be done here probably in 20 minutes. soon.